We're looking at the modernized Chevrolet Chevelle Coupe. Explore its fascinating history and cutting-edge 2025 renovation. Subscribe and activate alerts to follow our car obsession. The Chevrolet Chevelle Coupe symbolizes American muscle. Chevrolet's 1964 Chevelle was popular. From 1964 to 1967, the first generation had sedan, convertible, and coupe models. Muscle car lovers favored the 1966 SS Super Sport, with its strong V8 engines. Chevrolet restored the Chevelle name in 2025, blending muscle vehicle roots with modern technology and appearance. Front design first. New for 2025, the Chevrolet Chevelle Coupe. The strong front fascia has a wide, blacked-out Chevrolet bowtie grille. Styled LED headlights recall dual-round headlamps, while the muscular hood scoop shows power. Track and street design give the automobile a threatening yet stylish front. Side views show the Chevelle's strength. Wide fenders and aggressive body lines mimic classic muscle cars, yet the automobile is sleeker and more aerodynamic. The thin SS emblem on the side panels commemorates previous Super Sport models, and the blacked-out wheels and low-profile tires are sporty. The 2025 Chevelle Coupe's back blends old and new beautifully. Modern LED quad taillights, inspired by ancient Chevelles, offer the car a unique nighttime look. The rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips emphasize performance, while the curved trunk lid with this Chevelle badge adds nostalgia. When coming and going, this vehicle looks excellent. At first glance, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Coupe seems classic but has modern technologies. The dashboard's computerized instrument cluster combines dials with modern displays. Leather and brushed aluminum provide a luxurious, athletic look. Stay connected while actively driving with the smart entertainment system and supportive seats. Impressive engines in the 2025 Chevelle. With powerful engines, including a naturally aspirated V8, this car is perfect for thrill seekers. For traditionalists and relaxed drivers, engines include 6-speed manual or 10-speed automatic transmissions. Introduce the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Coupe, blending traditional style and current technology. The 2017 Chevelle offers classic muscle cars and modern performance. Comment about the new Chevelle. Is it better than a classic? Warn us! For more car reviews, comparisons, and more, subscribe, like, and share this video. See next video.